Hello everyone, welcome again to my YouTube channel where you master cloud and FinOps. Please hit the bell icon and subscribe the channel so you will get the notification of my all upcoming contents and video. So today via this video, I am going to share the best practices which any organization can follow while purchasing the commitment in terms of saving plan or reservation. So the key aspect while purchasing the reservations or saving plan or committing to the cloud provider is that we should do it via central team. It could be central procurement or central FinOps team. So preferred way is to have it under FinOps team. So it should be managed centrally via FinOps team. It should not like any application owner is purchasing the reservation for their workload and other cost center is purchasing the reservations or saving plan or committing to the cloud providers for their own workloads. So this entire procurement of commitment or reservation or saving plan should be handled centrally. The second aspect before we purchase the reservation is we should know where we are going to apply it. So again, it should be applied to the subscription level or tenant level, or in AWS case, it can be at organization level. Similarly, in GCP, it could be at a project level or organization level. So the key reason for this best practice in place is that if you will purchase the reservation and you will apply it to your own workload, if tomorrow you are going to discontinue that workload, then probably either you will apply it to another workload or otherwise it will be just idle, right? So instead, if we will purchase it at a higher hierarchy level, it will be automatically applied to the relevant resources of that particular subscription or that account. So always reservations or saving plans should be purchased at a central level, or to be precise, on a higher hierarchy level. Then the another thing, it is applicable for other capabilities as well. So in similar way, you should not purchase the highest discount in one go. So to be precise, if you have 100 VM, do not purchase the reservation or saving plan for all 100 VM altogether in one go. Instead, we should follow the same best practice what we are following for other FinOps capabilities, that we should follow the crawl, walk, and run, right? So go for small and then increase the capacity, or to be precise, the complexity with time. So do not purchase the reservation for all of your workload, because tomorrow you will end up in a scenario where you have all workloads are under reservation. Even if you will optimize those workloads, you will not get benefit because already you purchased the reservations or saving plan, right? So in that way, this is the third best practice. Now, fourth best practice is do not commit reservations or saving plans or commitment for the resource that is having other opportunities like right sizing. So today, if you purchase the reservation for one VM for certain instance type, even if you will have an opportunity tomorrow to right sizes, there is no meaning to do so because already you are under reservation. So always look for other opportunity first and then at last commitment. So if anybody will ask you the common sequence, so first is scalability, where you can start from the small capacity and increase the capacity with time. And then if you are particularly you have resources or workloads which are already optimized, you can look forward the right sizing part. If it is not there, then only go for commitments. So commitments or reservation or saving plan will come at last. So this is a common question in the interviews, that if you will see the right sizing opportunity and you are seeing the reservation opportunity, both, which one you will follow first? So right sizing would be first. So you can have a small capacity, you can create a auto scaling, then you can start with the small capacity in this way. Then if you have a large capacity, you can right size it. The time when you identified that there is no more future opportunities with the right sizing or auto scaling, you can go for a commitment. Now the question comes here that what to judge before purchasing the reservation. So as a central FinOps team, if you are accountable to purchase the reservation, what all you will look. The first one is, are you going to pay upfront? Though the reservations or saving plan will give the huge cost saving. So if you will commit for a 1 year reservation, you will get 56% cost saving. Similarly, or cost avoidance, or if you will go for 3 years, you will get maybe sometimes 70% cost saving or up to 70% cost saving. But for that, you have to pay upfront cost to the hyperscaler as a capex. So you have to work with your finance team that whether we have appetite to pay upfront cost or capex. Then important part is the allocation of that cost, because you are paying upfront, but benefit you will get it down the time in a year or in 3 years. Then how you will collect that price from the cost centers or applications? Are you going to charge them upfront what you paid straight away back to back, or you are going to charge them in a monthly basis or in a specific tenure, and how you will pass these discount to them? Then important strategic point here is to understand whether you are going to share this detail of discounts, what you are going to get it after commitment to the lower level, including cloud engineers or cloud administrators or even sometime cost centers. So all these decisions you have to take before purchasing the commitment for any enterprise. So if you will follow all these best practices, then you will get the optimum benefits of reservation. I see most of the teams or most of the application portfolios are purchasing reservation just for cost saving, but after that they ended up in a scenario where they are not able to optimize or basically get the optimum benefit out of it. Majority of time they see that their workloads for which they purchase the reservation, they they can further optimize it, but still they are having the reservation. That's why there is no meaning to do that, but ultimately they are paying higher cost even after reservation, which they can manage it with the low capacity. So in all this way you can adopt these best practices. There are few more, but these best practices will give you optimum benefit. In case if you encountered a scenario where you identified any additional best practice which I have not covered in this video, feel free to put it in the comment section. In case if you have any further query, feel free to ask in the comment section. I will answer that as well. So that is all I wanted to talk about the best practices for commitment purchase via this video. I hope you liked the video and you learn some key aspects before purchasing the reservation, what we should follow. So that's all. Do not forget to hit the share and subscribe button so that your friends and families will get benefited out of my content, and also you will get the notification for all my upcoming video. Till the time, stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead. Take care.